child eat more veggies? This is something I'm sure a lot of you have struggled with, and so I'm going to give you my top 3 tips. Tip number 1 is to be a good role model. If children see their parents or siblings regularly eating and enjoying veggies, they'll be much more likely to as well. Tip number 2 is to get kids involved. Get them to the shops and ask them to choose what veggie they'd like to cook with. Get them involved in the recipe production, or get them involved in chopping the veggies, washing them or cooking them, and they'll be much more likely to eat them when it comes time to it. And tip number 3 is persevere. We know that kids need about 10 exposures to the vegetable before they accept it. So don't give up after just a few tries. Keep going till you get 10 exposures and see where you go from there. If you need any more tips, then don't hesitate to get in contact with one of our accredited practicing dietitians, and we'd be happy to help you out.